Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy Notion Workspaces, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by creating a Notion account if you don't already have one. Visit the Notion website and click on the Sign Up button. You can sign up using your email, Google account, or Apple ID. Once you are signed in, familiarize yourself with the Notion interface. To deploy a new workspace, navigate to the sidebar and click on your profile picture. Select Switch Workspace from the drop-down menu. In the pop-up window, choose Create Workspace to start a new one. You'll be prompted to name your workspace. Choose a name that reflects your team or project. After naming it, click on Create Workspace to proceed. Next, set up your workspace by inviting team members. Click on Invite Team Members and enter their email addresses. Decide whether to grant them full access or limited permissions. After sending the invitations, set a workspace icon and cover image for personalization. Navigate to the Settings menu by clicking on the workspace name at the top left. In the Settings, select Workspace Settings to adjust preferences. Under General, you can update the workspace name and URL. Explore the Members section for managing roles and permissions. Now, create your first database by clicking on the plus icon in the sidebar. Choose the type of database that suits your needs, like a table or board. Customize the database by adding properties such as text, dates, and checkboxes. Use templates available in Notion for quicker setup. Browse the template gallery and select one that aligns with your objectives. Once selected, click on Use this template to apply it to your workspace. You can further personalize the template by editing content and layouts. Next, start adding pages to organize your workspace efficiently. Click on plus New Page in the sidebar and choose a format like document or Kanban. Add relevant content to your new page, including text, images, and links. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.